Well,
right in my beard.
And then
Yeah! Now we're cooking.
treadmill.
Rhinoceros fat.
We're shooting for a little music video called Gingerbread Wolfboy, which is me.
Like serious, like fucking.
You know, we're in my friend's basement, you know, green screen in it, you know, hammering some things out.
Doing what you're doing, be rude, and then go ahead and roll. Keep going. And then hit it hard whenever your verse starts.
We did it slow but fast. I don't know the proper terminology for it.
2, 1.
Shower smelling like a Greek salad, a sauerkraut, plant shower about powerhouse with a powdered snout. Rolling about a loud rowdy crowd, walking power ballads in the crowded house. Hey now, hey now, hey now.
I mean, was that difficult for you to do that?
Not that difficult. You know what I'm saying? It's just, you gotta say stuff faster. Benny Sizzle Chest, can you call the fluffer in?
Start with this. Big bone. Hold on. Shit got goofy, man.
Shit just got goofy.
Shit got really goofy.
We're just gonna keep making music and doing what we do, and that's pretty much all there is, and that's all there ever will be.
What do you have to say to your fans out there watching this video right now?
Just look at me, and you'll know. I don't even have to say anything.
You have anything, like, some signing off words here that you can give us?
Nope.
Alright.
Sorry, man.